Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities. We'll share with you the job opportunities for the interns as well as for the experienced people and the remote work from home jobs for the testers. So let me share the details with you. And before we move ahead, we would request you to like, share and subscribe our channel and share this video in your network so that it reaches to the maximum people who are looking for the job opportunities. So the very first job opportunity is with respect to the senior manual QA engineer, and it's a remote job. So the experience required is 7 to 10 plus years, and they are looking for someone who can test on web application as well as mobile application, someone who has got strong product thinking and requirement analysis, Jira-based defect tracking and collaboration, mentoring junior QA members, agile Scrum environment exposure. So these are the details. Apart from that, it is good if you have automation exposure like Selenium, APM, Cypress, or API testing or SQL security testing basics. So interested candidates can share your resumes at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for automation testers at LTI Mindtree, and the notice period is immediate to 30 days max. Skills required are Selenium, Java, Rest Assured, and experience required is minimum 5 years. And you do not need to apply if you have less than 5 years or more than 13 years of experience. So if you're interested, you can share your total experience, skill set, current location, and you can send details via WhatsApp to this particular number itself. Then there's a requirement for performance testing engineer. Company is Capgemini, and experience required is 3 plus years. So they are looking for someone who can do performance testing and who has got expertise in Tosca testing to join the QA team. The responsibilities would be to design, develop, and execute performance test scenarios using Tosca, perform load, stress, and endurance testing, analyze performance metrics, and identify bottlenecks. 3 plus years of experience in performance testing is required. Hands-on experience with Tosca is required. And if you are interested, you can share your updated resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer, female, and this will be working from Monday to Friday. And location is Noida, sector 62. And joining would be for immediate joiners only. Those who can join immediately can apply for this job. So roles and responsibilities are design, develop and execute test plans, test cases and test scripts, perform manual and or automation testing for web applications, prepare test reports and documentation. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume to this email address itself. Then there's a requirement for testing professionals. Verve Square is looking for skilled testing professionals to join the growing team. And the open positions are for manual testers, mobile testers, Salesforce testers, test automation, Selenium, Java, C Sharp, Python, Tosca automation. Experience required is 3 to 7 years. Location is Pune. So if you are interested, you can share your updated CV at this email address itself. Then there is a requirement for Salesforce QA manual testers, and location is Noida, Sector 65. Company name is Giricon IT Solutions. The experience required is 3 plus years, and they are looking forward for someone who can do 3 plus years of Salesforce manual testing. So has an experience of 3 plus years, and Salesforce experience is mandatory for this. So immediate joiners will be given the first preference, and this is the email address. Then TELUS Digital is hiring for manual testers with billing systems. Experience required is 4 plus years. Notice period is immediate to 15 days. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. The mandatory skill set that they are looking is for manual testing, billing system testing, basic automation you should be aware about. So all these things are required for this particular job opportunity. So in whichever jobs you would be applying, automation is must these days. So if you know basics of automation, if you know fundamentals of automation testing, if you have some hands-on experience on automation testing, you would be able to give the answers as well. It might happen that in the job description they have written manual testing, but over there they might ask you to find out some locator. Over there they might ask you some automation testing scenario. So be prepared when you go for the interviews. Be prepared from functional testing, manual testing point of view. Be prepared from automation testing point of view. Be prepared from API testing point of view, because you will get the questions on automation. It is secondary that after you get shortlisted on and you onboard into that particular company, then you are getting fully 100% automation testing role or not. But as of now, you will be you have to get prepared for automation testing. So as of now, if you want the job, so you have to prepare for both manual plus automation. Now you might be thinking in the job description it is written just manual testing. So should we still prepare for automation testing? The answer is yes, you have to prepare. Okay. Now let me share one more job opportunity with you. So this is a job opportunity for the interns QA, and they are looking for someone who has done BE, IT, CS, MCA, MSc IT. So this is an internship opportunity, and the location is Ahmedabad. It is work from office only, and the name of the company is Inmonix, and this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for senior test automation engineer, associate lead or lead testing experience required is 4 to 10 years, and you can apply at this particular email address. You can also contact at this number. So if you're interested, you can apply for the same. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for more updates.